Okay, this video is going to show you how to connect the tubings to a RION particle counter. We're using the latest version, KS42AF. So you're going to need 5 pieces, 2 pieces of flared tubing, 2 pieces of flange tubing. The flange tubing, you can see the end of it there with the connection. That's going to go into the syringe sampler, and the flared pieces are going to go into the back of the RION sensor, and then we're going to connect the outlet of the RION to the inlet of the syringe sampler using this 4mm coupler. Your tubing may be longer depending on what you've received from us. If it's a new unit, it'll be much longer, but the concept is the same. So the first step to your syringe sampler, you're going to remove the safety cover here. It's just 2 hand screws. You may need a Phillips head depending on when your sampler was made. Just remove the cover this way. And then you're going to take your flanged piece, you're going to put it into the inlet, and you're going to screw it in. And then you are going to do the same thing on the outlet with your other flanged piece. It's marked pretty clearly there, in and out. Get them in just hand tight is good enough. You can put your safety cover back on. Then on the particle counter itself, you've got 2 pieces, the controller and the sensor. The liquid connection is only to the sensor. So you've got inlet and outlet marked pretty clearly. So the first thing I will connect here is the inlet. I'm just going to take the cap off, bring in my flared piece. This flared piece also has a line cap on it, so you'll just unscrew it there and remove the line cap. Take this cap off the unit, and we're just going to shove it on like that and screw it down. Again, hand tight is okay. And this is going to be your inlet to your inlet bottle, your sample bottle, whatever you want to measure. Now from the outlet, we're going to connect again, and then we're going to put on our 4mm coupling. Just loosen both sides a little bit, shove it in, it's compression fitting, and tighten it down, and then put in the flanged piece, and again tighten it down. So what we've done here is we've got our inlet tube that's going to be our sample bottle coming into the sensor. Coming out of the sensor, we're connected to our syringe sampler, and then out to waste. So the system, as you would purge or as you would measure, is going to draw in from the sample bottle, tote, drum, whatever it may be, through the system, out into the syringe, and then out to waste.